In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create segments in ActiveCampaign. Whether you're new to ActiveCampaign or just looking to optimize your email marketing strategy, understanding how to create segments can vastly improve how you engage with your audience. Today, we'll break down this process step by step, making it both straightforward and effective for you. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the left panel of your ActiveCampaign dashboard. Here, among the various options intended to help you manage your contacts and campaigns, you'll find the Contacts section. Go ahead and click on Contacts. Once you are in the Contacts area, look closely and you'll see an option marked as Segments. This is where we begin the process of segmenting your contacts into more targeted groups. Once you're on the Segments page, you'll notice a button that says Create a Segment. Click on this button. This action takes you to the page where you will set up the specifics of your segment. The beauty of segments lies in their ability to help you send more personalized and relevant content to your audience, which can significantly boost engagement and conversion rates. Now that you've reached the segment creation page, it's time to give your segment a name. You want this name to be descriptive enough so that you can easily remember its purpose later on. Think about the specific group of contacts this segment will contain. Is it based on behavior, location, or perhaps purchase history? Naming your segment clearly will save you a lot of time in the long run. After naming your segment, you'll be prompted to add a description. This description provides more context about the segment's purpose and can be particularly useful if you're working in a team or planning on revisiting this segment after some time. A clear and concise description will always be beneficial. Next up, we delve into one of the most crucial parts: selecting the segment conditions. The segment conditions are essentially the rules that define which of your contacts fall into this segment. Whether you want to target contacts who recently opened an email, made a purchase within the last month, or are located in a specific geographical area, this is where you set those parameters. Take your time to think about what criteria are most relevant for achieving your marketing goals. A well-defined segment ensures that your message reaches the right people at the right time. And there you have it. Once you've set your conditions, your segment is ready. By simply following these steps, you've just created a new segment in ActiveCampaign. Understanding segmentation can truly elevate your email marketing efforts, allowing for more tailored strategies that resonate with your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy segmenting!